Hi guys, and welcome back to the Friesen kitchen. I'm Annika, and today we are going to make Easter macarons, and I'm going to fill them with a delicious homemade lemon curd. These macarons are a perfect combination between sweet and sour, and they are so refreshing. They will be a perfect addition to your Easter family dinner. So today I'm not going to talk about the tools because I went over them in my previous videos, and I will put a link down below in the description box so you can check it out. So now I'm going to show you what you need for the macarons. 72 grams of aged egg whites and their room temperature, 20 grams of superfine sugar, a pinch of salt, 140 grams of powdered sugar, 90 grams of almond flour, yellow gel color, and some sugar pearls. So first off, I'm going to blend together the almond flour with the powdered sugar to get a nice smooth consistency. So now I combined the almond flour with the powdered sugar and I set this aside. Now we are ready to make our meringue. For that, you're going to pour in your 72 grams of egg whites into your standing mixer along with a pinch of salt. And when it's all bubbly and foamy, you're going to add your sugar, but make sure you add it very slowly. And then we beat it all together for exactly 2 minutes. In between, I like to stop the mixer and scrape down the sides to get the sugar all in there. So now, after the 2 minutes, you can add your food color. Then keep whisking for 10 seconds or until well combined. So now sift your almond sugar mixture into the meringue. And you will have some bigger pieces left in the sieve, and that's totally fine, just discard them. So now you're going to fold in the dry ingredients into the meringue until you have a lava-like consistency. Now add the batter into a piping bag, and then we are ready to pipe. Today I'm going to be using an egg-shaped template, and I'm going to put it underneath the parchment paper. And when you're done piping, just remove the template, then drop the sheet a couple times on the countertop, then take a toothpick and correct all the holes. So now we have to let the macarons dry on a cool place for 20 to 60 minutes, depending on your humidity in the room. And then before we put them in the oven, I like to sprinkle them with some sugar pearls. They are done drying when you touch them and nothing sticks to your finger. And here's the trick. I like to preheat the oven to 300 degrees, but when we are ready to pop them in, I turn the temperature down to 280 and bake them for 25 minutes. So while we're waiting for our macarons, we're going to make our delicious homemade lemon curd. And for that, you're going to need a small pot filled with water, and then you place a bowl on top, and then you add all ingredients except the butter. All you need for the lemon curd is 3 large egg yolks, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. There's nothing better than freshly squeezed lemon juice, and you will need about 2.5 lemons. So now you can heat up the water, and then you place the bowl on top, add all ingredients except the butter, then you whisk for about 10 minutes or until your lemon curd has reached 170 degrees. The lemon curd is almost done. Just whisk in the butter, then cover the top with a plastic wrap and place it into the fridge and leave it there for 2 hours. The macarons cooled off. Now try to find a match, place them on the board, and they are ready to be filled. The lemon curd has chilled for 2 hours. Now I'm going to add it to a piping bag, and then we can fill our macarons. And there you have it. Your homemade, delicious lemon curd filled macarons are all done. And you can find the recipe down below in the description box. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!